Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time joining my channel, thank you for coming to watch my video. And if you're part of the family, thank you so much for coming to watch the video again. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make $1 per survey that you answer. So if you think that $1 is not too small when you answer a survey, then this video is for you. So I want you to follow me while I show you how to make $1 for every survey that you do on this website. Follow me while I show you that. So the first website on the list is called SuperPayMe. SuperPayMe is a website that is going to pay you $1 per survey that you do on this website. You can see make money online, get paid for surveys. It's very simple. Everyone has an opinion. Smart people get paid for it. All right, cash out instantly from as little as $1. So that's number one website. On this website, you can get paid $1 per every survey that you do on this website. All right, the second website is called Market Agent. Market Agent also is one of those survey websites that you can sign up right now and make money answering survey, just doing survey. All right, your opinion counts and pay off. All right, determine the trends of tomorrow and earn cash with every survey. So you earn cash with every survey you do. So you can see, go ahead and just check Market Agent. All right, so go ahead and check them out. All right, so the next one is called prolific.co. Prolific.co is another survey website that makes a lot of sense, and I think they are very new and they make a lot of sense. Per survey you also make $1. Definitely human data to deliver world leading research and AI. So this our website also pay you per survey, $1 per survey that you do on this website. All right, so this is another website that you can make money right now. If you haven't made anything online before, jump onto this website that I'm mentioning and start making money with them immediately. So this is the third website that you can make $1 per survey that you do on this website. The fourth website is called Textable Mind. Textable Mind, lend your mind to science. Lend your mind to science. So if you go a little bit down, you can see Textable Mind is the platform used by researchers from the world's leading university to recruit participants for their philosophical and behavioral experiments. You now have the opportunity to contribute to our quest to understand how the mind works and make some money on the way. All right, so this is Textable Mind, and Textable Mind allow you to make money per $1 per survey that you do on that website. All right, the next website that I want to mention in this is also, this next website is not really a survey website, it's a game that pay you money, cool cash. This game pay you cool cash. It's the game that I have on my phone that I've been using, I've been playing. How do you feel having fun playing game and you're still making money playing game? Imagine. So this is gaming. Just go ahead, and I will be dropping the link to all these websites in the description box of this video. So go ahead and just click and use them, download the game and start making money. All right, play free games, win cash prize up to $10,000 every week. Spin the fortune wheel, join lucky games or take part in our daily lotto to win instant prize. So it's amazing, especially when you spring sometimes you make $1, $2. Imagine spinning and you're making a lot of dollars for yourself. So the next website is Surveo. Surveo is another website that pay you $1 per every survey that you do on this website. They pay you $1 per every. Imagine paying, doing hundreds of survey. That means you're having $100 per day. Imagine that. So on this one, especially this one, once you register there, they are going to pay you in your local currency. All right, for me that live in Nigeria, they pay me in naira. Okay, I have account with them. So in my subsequent video, I'm gonna be doing another video that will break down all these websites. I'm gonna take them one after the other to explain to you how they work. All right, but in this video, I just want to introduce them to you so that you can have them on your phone. You join the survey community and up to $8 per survey. Join the community and earn cash by answering our paid surveys. All right, they pay in PayPal, they pay you through PayPal, Amazon gift card, they pay you bank transfer. So the next website on my list here is called Lootup. Lootup is another website that pay you $1 per survey. So it says here, earn reward for completing simple daily tasks. Very simple. It's very simple. Just come here and do survey and make $1 for yourself. So go ahead. I'm gonna be dropping all the link in the description box of this video, where you're gonna see all the link to all these websites that I've mentioned. All right, you can see I paying surveys. So it's very simple. Just come there. All right, so this is the next one that I just said. So Survey Time is one of those websites that will pay you instant reward of $1 when you answer a survey. I mean, it makes a lot of sense. See, get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey you complete. Imagine completing a survey and you get instant $1. So if you think $1 is not too small for you, you go ahead and jump on this one right now. All right, the next one on this list is called 𝐿 is another website. 𝐿 or something, anyhow you pronounce that. So 𝐿 or whatever it's called, you just need to come right here and get paid when you answer a survey. All right, it's simple. It's very simple. Sign up here, put in your name, put in your gender, email and password, and accept and sign up. 𝐿 is one of those websites that's going to pay you $1 per survey that you complete. So the next on my list now is called Switchcoin. Switchcoin is another website that pay you $1. This is not even a survey. This is a website that pay you $1 when you walk on the road. Just taking one step forward, they are gonna pay you money. Imagine just walking on the road and you're getting paid. You can see it pays to work, healthier planet, healthier, wealthier you. Imagine just walking on the road and you are getting a lot of money. I mean, it won't cost you anything having an app on your phone and you're walking on the road, and this app is counting your steps and is giving you money. All right, so the next on my list here, 𝐻𝐕 makes a lot of sense. Earn extra cash online. 𝐻𝐕 is a global online community with multiple earning options. Join on and start earning with paid online surveys, cash offer, and more. Imagine paid online survey on 𝐻𝐕 and you're making a lot of money. So for yourself, per survey you complete, you make $1. So sometimes if you think $1 is not actually too small for you, if you think $1 per survey doesn't make any sense, just stop this video and just stop the video. But if you think $1, it makes a lot of sense for you per survey that you answer. If you answer on the survey, it does $100. Right, so let's go ahead. So the next website here, which is the last one on my list. So this next website is not a survey website, but this website is a job website. You just chat. By chatting you get paid. All right, become a chat operator and work from anywhere. You are working from anywhere, you're getting a lot of money, and these people pay into your Wise account if you have a Wise account. All right, do you like to write and you are self-employed? Then you are the person we are looking for. Apply today for a job as moderator for an online fantasy network. All right, simple. So if you know how to chat, if you are less busy, you can chat and make money. This website is for you. So guys, if you've seen value in this video so far, give this video a like and go ahead, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because in my next video I'm going to be breaking all of these sites down. I'm going to be showing you details, full details on all of these websites that I've mentioned in this video. So till I come your way again, see you in my next video.